O is the center of the circle PQRS. Find the value of the angle marked X. This is a multiple choice question. We will solve the question and after that we pick the correct option. We have this diagram here and the question wants us to use the information found on this diagram to find the value of angle X. We can see that we have this angle at point O to be 220 degrees. We know that angles around a point sum up to 360 degrees. So if the angle here is 220 degrees, then the remaining angle here will be 360 degrees minus 220 degrees, and that will give us 140 degrees. So the angle POR, that's the angle we have here, is 140 degrees. Let's join point P to point R to form the chord PR. One of the theorems of a circle says that in a circle, the angle a chord or an arc subtends at the center of the circle is twice the angle it subtends at the circumference. So it means that the angle that the chord PR subtends at the center is 2 times the angle that the same chord PR subtends at the circumference. So what it means is that angle PQR is equal to half of the angle POR, which we have found to be 140 degrees. So angle PQR is equal to half of angle POR, and angle POR is 140 degrees. And half of 140 degrees is 70 degrees. So it means that angle PQR, which is the angle formed here, is 70 degrees. Angle PQR is 70 degrees. We want to find X. Another theorem of a circle says that the sum of the angles a chord or an arc subtends at the circumference of opposite segments of a circle is equal to 180 degrees. When you look on our diagram, the chord PR subtends the angle PSR in this segment, and that angle is X. And the same chord PR subtends this angle PQR in this segment, and that value there is 70 degrees. The theorem says that the angles that this chord subtends at opposite segment, subtends at the circumference in opposite segment, when you add them, you should get 180 degrees. So what this means is that angle PQR plus angle PSR should give us 180 degrees. Angle PQR is 70 degrees and angle PSR is X. So 70 degrees plus X should give us 180 degrees. And so X will be equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees, which will give us 110 degrees. So the value of X is 110 degrees. When you look through the options, you can see that the correct option is B.